Hello students, welcome back e-classes of Computer of Standard 12th. Let's start our next topic, variable of chapter number 2. A variable is a container for storing data. The variables in JavaScript are case sensitive. So a variable small x and capital X are different. The variables can store numbers, strings, or text. In JavaScript, we can declare a variable using var keyword. We can assign a value to a variable using equal to operator. For example, var x equal to 3, it means variable can store numbers. Next, var y equal to hello, var z equal to hello students, it means variable can store strings or text. In form validation, inside the function validate form, we have a statement. Example, var x equal to document.js1.name.value. Here x is a variable, js1 is the name of the file and name is the name of the field. The next one is a if statement. The conditional statement if is used to change the flow of the program. The if statement evaluates an expression to validate specific condition. If the condition is true, then the program enters if block and executes the statement inside it. Next is document object model. To control the web browser window or web page, we use the BOM. BOM stands for Browser Object Model. All browsers are split into different parts or objects that can be accessed using JavaScript. These parts are known as the Browser Object Model or BOM. The top level object in the browser object model is window object. Window object represents the browser window or individual frame within the window. It is created automatically by the browser. The window object is the global object as it contains all other objects of the browser object model within it. Window object contains the document object. The document object is the most important object in the browser object model. It is used to represent the web page displayed in the browser. All the elements of the web page like form, images, link, anchor, and others are contained within the document object. Just as the document object contains a form object, similarly the form object contains element object. The element object can be radio button, text area, button, text, checkbox or any other object. One is the focus method. The focus method is used to apply focus on a particular element of the form. Thus, after the user gets an alert message calling the focus method, the cursor will be placed inside the element and the particular element will be highlighted. In current documentation, focus can be applied to only one single element. The focus can be applied either to a text or button etc. Let's now open the file in the browser. Keep the name field empty and press the submit button. You will see an alert message as shown in this figure appear on the screen. The alert message is the result of the script that we had written in the source view. This is the validation that we have provided in the form using JavaScript. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you, students.